right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. And why does it look so weird? Did we leave it off like this? Oof. 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 What happened? Okay, let's see. Good solution. Yeah, okay. That looks familiar. Okay, so this file here, d3dxmath. Why is this not found? By the way, maybe we can make this text larger here. No, we can't. So why is this not found? d3dxmath. d3dxmath. Huh. That file doesn't exist, yeah. There's DirectX math. What happens if we just remove that file? Let's see. Okay, where is that symbol? dx8 math. dx8 math. Yeah. So maybe the fix here is to say 8 here. Maybe that's a fix. It does compile. We will see if it also compiles on vs6 then. Yeah. Okay, this error is really strange here. Syntax error, missing end of scope before constant. AI passive. Is this like by any chance, is this a macro? I don't understand. Yeah, what is the problem? I don't see it. It's not obvious. It really is not obvious. These look like normal enum values, types. There's an assignment, there's a -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the problem? It specifically complains about AI passive. My initial thought that maybe there is a macro, preprocessor macro, that is called also AI underscore passive, and then is defined to some value like 1, let's say, and then it would be 1 equals -1, right? That wouldn't work. But we search for this. Let's search. Yeah, let's see. Aha, there you go. AI passive. Here. Haha, haha, haha. Oof. 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 Um, mm, hmm, hmm, hmm. Yeah, that's why there is this naming convention in C where you say macros are always uppercase with underscores. And no variable, no class, nothing should use this naming convention for this very reason, right? Yeah. So I blame here the uppercasing of this here. Okay, how do we fix that elegantly? I mean, undefining the AI passive, that sounds a bit weird here. Oof, I don't know, like WS2 is probably WinSock 2, right? WinSock? Yeah, it says AI numeric host, so it's probably WinSock. We probably don't want to undef the AI passive, right? So, oof, how do we deal with it? I mean, we would have to rename this enum value, right? There's no other way. Yeah, but I would like to avoid it because then, well, we touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, four files. Okay, it's not too big, but then AI passive. Attitude type. Attitude type. AI attitude. Passive. Mode passive. Okay. So here it is written like this. Mood passive with here lowercase things. How about we do AI sleep here lowercase, and then let's see how are the others used. Yeah, okay, they're used sparingly by the looks of it. Yeah, we need to touch a bunch of files. The problem is if we touch this, it will incur a diff, right? With anyone. How do other enums look here? Oh, also uppercase. Oof. Okay. Okay, so there are others with uppercase, and we should probably keep that. Okay, now then we should try to just like deal with the AI passive. Okay, so but if we undef AI passive, then we can't do that. Undef AI passive. No, I can't do that. Why is this included in the first place then? Why is Windsock included here? Why? Yeah, maybe because of this one here. It is. It's including a few things, but it doesn't look like it. No, I don't know how Windsock spills in there. I mean, one way would be to not have Windsock spill in there, but yeah, I don't know. That doesn't solve it either, because if in the future it spills in again, then this error is back, right? Yeah, AI passive. I also don't want to give it a junk name like AI passive 2 or something. AI passive. Man. AI passive. AI passive. AI passive. So if we undef AI passive, I can't do that. No. No. Okay, we try to remove windsock from spilling in there, but I don't know how complicated that will be. Let me see. Windsock 2. Is it called like that? I'm not sure. Windsock 2, yeah. Yeah, so let's see. So it's included in crc.h. That one looks a candidate. Yeah, maybe if we can manage to remove it from CSC, maybe that will help. For H2NL, let's see. Which is commented out. So what if we comment this out and we move it down here? Yeah. So because it's not referenced here, so it looks like we don't need it actually. Let's see if that solves problems. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. No. Let me turn off Discord so we are not distracted by anything. Just focus on the code. Yeah, good. So that didn't help. It's still including windsock. Okay, where else is it? It's in a CPP, and CPP is fine. And C's, yeah, it's fine. Okay, here it's in headers. But this is GameSpy. Game engine. Yeah, shouldn't be a problem. No, I don't see why it would be in there. Okay, what other ideas do we have? I would prefer to not rename it. Which would only leave us with the undef. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, where is it failing? GameEngine.cpp. GameEngine.cpp. Huh? Game Engine. CPP. Huh? Game Engine.cpp. Oof. Okay, this one is including everything. Let me winsock2.h. Game results thread. Do we have a thread here? But that's the header. But it could be that one of the GameSpy thingies is included here, right? Yeah. 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 winsock2. Yeah. Yeah. The spikers ads. Let's make a compile keywords. Renames. Renames AI passive. Type name to not conflict with winsock2 define. Yeah. Okay, then we would have to name it something like that or so. I don't know. AI passive 2. AI passive. I don't know. AI passive. Yeah, let's go with this for now, and maybe someone else has a better idea. I don't see it right now. I don't see it. Yeah, let's go with this for now. It's not ideal. Oops. But it's okay. It works for now. Passive. Yeah, it's a bit shitty. Yeah. Man. Passive. Yeah, maybe someone else has a better idea. I don't know what to name this thing. And I also don't want to undev this AI passive here because it is, well, it's not used. But it's also error prone because what if this one is included after this one? Then we still get the macro in, right? So we can't really do that. No. Let's go with this for now. I think that's safe, but yeah, it's not great. Yeah. Okay. Maybe in the future we can change these names completely. I don't know. Okay, what do we have here? IT, okay. Okay, we move this out. Great. All right, next. Oof. What is this? Huh. Unsigned short. str. Yeah. Unicode string. I think we need to put here wchrt. No? Hold on. Unsigned short. wchrt. Should work, no? Yeah. This Unicode string, what does it take? It takes white char. Okay. That is the alias. Okay. White char. There we go. Maybe we should also put here this in here while edits. Yeah, maybe not. The others also don't do it. Let's not go overboard here for now. Yeah, let's just do the essentials. Okay, that's fair. fprintf. What is here? Format string requires an argument of type char. But variadic argument 2 has type white char. So it should be ls, I think. Blob. 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 Here. Blob. Memory. Blob. Blob. No valid function could convert all the argument types. Dest. unsigned short. So this should be char, right? Short, hold on, that's again white char, white char. Oof. White char, there we go. Okay, int I, yeah. In str p plus plus p dereference. I think that can be const. Should work. Error I. Oof. Yeah, okay. Int I. There we go. Oof. Okay, but these are all just warnings. We leave the warnings here, it's fine. Whoa, so many. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay. Resize. Is not a member of unordered map. Oof. Oof. Okay, that's interesting. Resize. Has no memory size. We can only reserve, right? Template hash size. Oof. Resize. Template hash. Yeah. Let's check what this does. So if we go to VC6, dependencies, no, deps, STL ports. Let's look for hash map. There it is. And we look for that. STL hash map. STL hash map. Is that still a thing? C++ hash map. Unordered map. So this hash map here, what does it do? STL hash map. Hash map. Where's the hash? There, hash map. Okay. So we are looking at reserve function. No, resize function. Resize. It calls resize for this one. Oof, what is this thing here? Oof. Oof. Okay, what is HT? Hash table. Oof. Hash table. Define hash table. Oh my gosh. Pair. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Hash table. Hash table. Okay, it seems to be a class. Hash table. Okay. There's a here hash table.h. Resize. There we go. Insert unique no resize. resize. Num elements hint. So is this equivalent to reserve? Oh, there we go. Let's see. Old bucket size. Num elements hint larger than old. Next size. Get allocator. Yeah. Bucket swap. It does some allocation here by the looks of it. Bucket vector, it takes the allocator, so I assume it will allocate already. So it seems to like allocate right away. It's not a reserve. It's an allocation. So the way it works differently to unordered map, the unordered map will only reserve a size. Well, but reserve will also allocate the hash table. Right? It won't allocate the elements, but I think it will create the hash table already. Yeah, so it's probably the same. I assume that this is the same. What macro did we use? I think we put it here in our here. Yeah, let's continue using this macro for now, but maybe we can remove it later. So if MSVC is smaller than this, then we do this, else we do, and if we take this guy and we move it here and we do a reserve. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, buffer plus I is here, there we go, put it here, okay. We have got another I, int I. Yeah. Oof. There we go. Okay, what do we have here? Animate window. It's not a type name. Okay, so this is unknown. By the way, let's compile up to this point. Let's see. Oh, it's still running. Oof. Let's do a fresh one. If it allows us. Well, if it doesn't stop yet, then there we go. Error. Oof. Oof. What is this? A value of type const char. Okay, let's cancel build. New char, and it wants to put a string. What the hell? What is this supposed to do? It looks like it wants to allocate one element, which is 0. Or something like that. I don't understand. Cannot be used. Value of type const char. A value of type const char cannot be used to initialize an entity of type char. New char. Link test. Maybe we can make it const. Maybe that will help. Let's see. No, it's still the same. Okay. Then we can maybe just do. We could just change it to brackets 1, or can we? What if we do like this? Would that work? I've never seen this kind of thing. I don't know. I don't know how this is supposed to work. Maybe we just create one char like so. Yeah, maybe that is simple enough. Yeah, I don't know what the comma one is. It looks strange. Okay, let's continue here. Error type, animate window. Okay, why is this unknown? Animate window. Let me see. Maybe we can forward declare it in here. Let me see. Well, maybe not. Huh. Inlining. That's weird. Okay. So what header is this in? Oh, it's within the same. Okay. Then why is it? Is it because of lists? What is the error here? Function. Function animate window is class. What the hell? I don't understand. It's an std list of pointers. Animate window is up here. Man, this is so C here. I don't understand what the problem here is. Syntax error. It's probably something very stupid again. I don't see it though. Animate window. This one looks fine. There's no template, nothing. Animate window. Where does it say it's 8 bytes though? Well, why is that? Ah, the list object is 8 bytes. Okay, not the animate window. I see. Error types. Okay, so animate window is somehow an error type, but it is up here. Is this animate type? Is this maybe also a macro or something? Oh. Oh, it's a function. Oof. Oh, it's a function here. Oh my gosh. No, it's a comment. There it is. There's a function. Oh no. Oh, that's a painful. What now? You can't just rename this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's not good. I don't want to rename this class. Oh man. Oh man, this is so ugly. Oh man. Win user. Can we avoid? Well, win user is probably included with windows.h, right? Can we compile it out maybe? We can pretend we are not a desktop family. Yeah, that is so weird. Animate window. Shit. I think we would have to put it in a namespace. Yeah. Yeah. That is. How often is this reference, this thing? Oof. Oof. Oh, hell no. Oh, man. That is endboss. Animate window. How do we do it? Okay, so when user.h animate window function in when user.h. Yeah, it would have to be put in a namespace to really avoid this kind of error, but that would be even bigger change. Like, I mean, putting like all the Windows stuff into namespace, right? Like a WND namespace and good to go. But that's also a huge change. So, yeah, I think, yeah, I mean, maybe what would help is if we typed here class. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's a bit upsetting. Yeah. But that would mean that we wouldn't need to move it into a namespace now. Yeah. Maybe we should do that. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. Let's put a to do here. Animate window function. This class collides. This class name collides with animate window function in win user. And win user. Yeah, let's just put this comment here. Let's put super hackers to do. Mm-hmm. 1403/2025. Okay, but we can do this, and this would mean we would have to add this class thingy to all the various, well, just to the things that error, I guess, which probably is everything. Well, let's see. So if we just put this here, maybe that's already enough. Let's see. I suspect that there will be more places, or all places will error. Because if this works here, why would it? Oof. Yeah. No. Ah, yeah. There we go. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Okay, but if we have to add class everywhere, then might as well just rename the animate window or put it in a namespace. Right? I mean, it's getting annoying to have put class everywhere, and everyone who's like typing animate window in the future will also run into this error, right? So I don't think that using class and write this everywhere is the solution here. We should put it into a namespace. Yeah. So we say compile the puts class into a namespace to avoid collision, to avoid name collision with animate window function in there. Yeah, I don't see a good way here otherwise. Yeah, let's put it in a namespace. WND. There we go. Namespace WND. This window, right? Oof. Animate window manager. Animate window manager. Animate. Yeah, I don't know if it should be in a WND namespace or in an animate namespace. It's working with an yeah, let's WND is okay, I think. Yeah, it's short and it makes sense. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. Okay, then what we do is we look for all these guys, animate window, and we replace this with W and D, animate window. There we go. Match case, match full word, find. And there we go. Hey, hold on here. This one we can improve. Namespace WND. There we go. Bro, why does it want to dock? Stop. Unbelievable. Oof. Don't format. Oof. Namespace WND. There we go. Okay. All right. Find next. All right. Replace. There we go. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, maybe that was already it. Let's see. Yeah. No, there's more. There's more. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, so this one also needs to go in the namespace. Namespace WND. There we go. And then where does it go? Until here. Namespace WND. Okay. Okay, here we have another one. WND. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Ah. Okay. Needs to go here. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, WND. Let's see the next errors here. There's another one. Another one. There we go. Yeah. And another one. New instance. There we go. Okay. Let's try again. Cancel. Oof. Oof. Okay, so this doesn't work. Oof. Okay, here we have a problem with oof. New instance. What is this? It's a macro. Yeah. Yeah, so the problem is this colon symbol is now messing with this macro. Oh boy. We would have to move this new instance call inside animate window. So we go in here. It's quite a bit unpleasant. Yeah, but I don't see other way. New instance, unless we change new instance, but oof. New instance. There we go. Yeah. Our class, colon, our class. Right. So it's like makes a function name or something. Yeah. Yeah, I would say the easiest probably would be animate window. We create a static inside here. Static new instance. Create new instance. There we go. And then we do return new instance like that. And that doesn't work because we need to do that. Yeah. Yeah, and then create new instance. So basically we do just like this, create new instance, WND, there we go. That should work. Yeah. It's not great because it's a more involved change, but I think that's the cleanest way to get rid of this now. We didn't change any behavior, we just put it in a namespace and created the static function here, which should be simple enough. Yeah. Do we need to put it down there? No, I don't think so. We just leave it here. I think that's fine. Good, then let's continue. So here we got an I, yeah. Okay. Unicode string. Oof. Build, cancel. Good. What is this problem here? Oh. Unicode string dot. What? Text Unicode string. Why is there a dot? How does that work? Should be like this now. I'm curious why dot worked there. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, here we got an I. So here we get a loop and then we use the I. There's no other loop. Okay, let's just move the entire thing out. Like that. There we go. Oof. Static. Int. What? Okay, I think here the problem is that needs to comment it like this. Yeah. Edit by sad. Is that a guy name or is this just sad? Okay. Error. Int I. Okay, where's the I? The I is... Boah. Really? What? Here. I wonder if we should settle on always initializing it like this first. Yeah, how about we make that a rule? So we don't declare it in here. We always move it out entirely. Maybe we should settle that. Let's do this because I think it's safer that we like initialize it right away before we use it in a loop. Safer because like if we then remove this loop, then the I would still be initialized, right? So it's like defensive if in case like someone refactors this code. Like so like if someone removes this and the initialization is in there, then it's uninitialized, which maybe is not bad, but who knows? All right. Yeah. Okay, I will then, like, if we review our changes, I will retroactively change it for the other guys as well. Yeah. Okay, then we move this guy out. Okay, we got a bunch of files now compiling without any errors. That's nice. Yeah. Uh-huh. Error. Cancel. Okay, that's curious here. Int. Int. I. Oh, where's the I? Bro. There. Const char error. Man. J. Okay, how about we do a text search for this guy and change all of them? Find, replace. Wait, it's just these two? Okay, well, that's fixed then. Okay. Function does not take one argument, but we give it two. Which one? This. 1, 2. Huh? What's the problem? We give it a window? Yeah? Yeah? And a Unicode string. Yeah. What's the problem? Let's compile again. Okay, so error. Okay. Well, maybe it's gone now. Man, so much of these. Oof. 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 Namespace WND. WND. Oof. Hold on. WND. Okay. That seems to work. Next. I. This seems to be here the favorite error. Empty. Oof. Empty character constant. Empty character constant. Get printable key. Oof. What would the empty character constant mean? Like, yeah, let me ask our friend ChatGPT. In vs6, what would, maybe we can use one of the existing chats here. In vs6, what would this character be? Empty character literal is invalid and will cause a compiler error. Well, it doesn't. A character literal must contain at least one character. Empty white character literal, which is not valid C++, will likely generate error. It does not produce a compile error. What value would that assume then? Does not produce a compile error. This behavior is non-standard, but if it compiles, it likely assumes a value of 0. Yeah, this seems likely. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it would have to be investigated. Okay, let's put it to 0. Printable key. The super hackers. Add compile. Let's put it up here. Let's say add to do return value changed from this to null. Verify that this is correct. Today is 14/03. Yeah. It's probably correct, but I mean, it's not clear. It could also be like if it was missing in the original, that in the original was already incorrect. Because if it says get printable key, what does this do? If it, let me see, the where it's called. So it takes a key. So it takes a null key then, and then it processes it. Sets your key. Yeah. So it's probably nothing bad that happens from this. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe this doesn't need verification. The way this is used, it looks like it will take the null char here, and then it will try to translate it, and then here there's execute hotkey, and that would be null, and then it probably doesn't find a hotkey assigned to null, and then it will just do nothing. That's my assumption here. maybe. Yeah, let's remove this comment here. Yeah, it's probably okay. Yeah. Good. Otherwise, someone can note it in the review. Good. Let's get back to outputs. What do we have here? Cannot convert argument 2 from unsigned short. Read words. Okay. Unsigned short. Unsigned short. Oof. Oof. So this read word function, how often is this used? Just once. So it takes buff. Yeah, it looks like we should probably change this to WCHRT. Oops. Like that. I think that makes more sense. But now this one is mismatching with this definition here, so we need to change that. And then we need to fix that error here. So that is now this. And Unicode, yeah, and that works. Okay. I think that will be good. Yeah. Okay, next. Int I0, yes. There we go. Oof. What about the Y? Puts the int Y here. How about we remove the Y and we put this guy here, XY. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Takes 3 arguments. Pass find. Static 1. Oof. It is an integer. 1. Yeah. Super hackers add to do. Make this bool. Should probably use int with capital I. Yeah. I will make a second pass and then we correct what we have not done quite right. P-trig, polygon trigger. Yeah. There we go. Const. Yeah. Oof. IT was used as a conditional. Huh? Oh, that's wild. That is really wild. Maybe this was legal with STL port. So I guess oof. What is the goal here? So it wants to reverse iterate. Paw. End is actually the end. End is actually the end. So advance the iterator. Does STL port have a reverse iterator? It's vector. Vector. STL. Is vector part of this one here? Vector. Let's see. Reverse. Reverse. Oh, it doesn't. Oof. Oof. Iterator. Let's open that. Reverse. Oof. Doesn't have reverse iterator? It does, here. Ah, match full word. Hold on. Okay, it does have a reverse iterator here. Let's go back to vector. Reverse iterators. Okay, it's there. So how about we use a reverse iterator, begin. Yeah, I think that would make more sense. I'm really surprised that this would run, because if you do here minus minus, like at which point would this end? How is this legal? Countermeasures is vector, right? Countermeasures vector, yeah. I don't understand how this is legal. I'm gonna go back there. How is this legal? Because if we start at the end and we decrement, then we would essentially have to decrement until we reach null. But then it would crash at some point because of dereferencing, and it would stall forever and it would crash, right? It would eventually hit some page that is unmapped. So this, I'm really surprised about this thing. That's outrageous. There's no break. How does this work? If it, maybe the iterator has some kind of boolean in STL port. Could that be? Hold on. Iterator, operator. Let's see if there's an operator bool. No. I don't understand how this works. Okay, but okay, this is a more risky change. I hope I don't change behavior, but the way this would be sanely written would be, we take a reverse iterator. Oh, if I could type reverse iterator, we start with R end. Then we check if this one is not, hold on, R begin. If this one is not R end, yeah, and then we do plus plus iterator, plus plus. There we go. Plus plus. This is not a loop. This is a condition. Okay, hold on. If iterator max. This also looks really unsafe here. doesn't it? Okay, actually this is now incorrect because oof, this one would have to be removed, I think. Oof. Okay, let's revert again. Okay, so we have iterator, then so it just makes a check. So let's test if this is not begin, right? It's not begin, good. And then here, this one looks really unsafe. So here it iterates and now it makes an assumption. Yeah, so basically we need to have an assert here. How do we write asserts in this project? Asserts. I'm not sure what the native game assert way of writing is. Let me see. Can we find an assert in here? Debug assert crash. Okay. Debug assert crash. Debug assert. Why is there no assert here? Ugh. Let's search for asserts. How about that? Okay, looks like they use debug assert crash for most of the things here, which seems quite drastic, doesn't it? Debug crash, what does it do? Debug crash. Okay. Debug crashing. I really don't like the way this assert works. It's really shitty. Yeah. It's kind of sad, but okay. Let's go with it for now. Probably needs to be changed at some point. Okay, so basically the assert I would like to put here, debug assert crash. So basically this guy, iterator max, must not be larger. Must be larger equal countermeasures.size, right? If that is not the case, unsafe size. Yeah. Hold on. It must be smaller equal size. There we go. Yeah. So basically end is past the last element. Then we check is it not the begin. Then we decrement. Yeah. So that we are in the range. And then it checks it. And then it keeps decrementing it for this iterator max. And iterator max must be smaller or equal than the size. If it's not, then we run into problems. Yeah. Let's also cast this to int. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Good. Let's get back to this. I need to be very careful here to not screw this thing up. Good. Spaces. IT. What is the problem here? Discarding return value of function. Warning. Huh? Iterator IT. Cannot convert from vector iterator to pointer. Do we have to flight deck info? So we need to dereference and then need to return the reference to it like that. Yeah. I think dereference the iterator. Yeah, and then take the reference and then we have the pointer. Yeah. Or did I miss something? Should be correct. Oof. Iterator with null initialized. Oof. Cannot convert from int to that. Yeah, so this is integer. So it cannot be null. Best IT. Huh? Yeah, okay, I see. Okay, so what do we want to assign? Spaces. Okay, so we probably want to assign this to end. And then here we make a check if best IT is not the end. My IT. What is that thing? Ah, we have this one here. Look at that. My gosh. This one will require really careful reviewing. Holy shit. It's easy to make mistakes here with the iterator stuff. Need to look very careful. What do we got here? Oof. Best IT. Okay. We're still not done here. Look at that. Okay, so here we need to assign it to end again. Maybe that's it. There's more. Jesus Christ. Probably this one here. There we go. Is there more? There's more. What is this now? What is the problem here? Set position, begin. Ah, it also returns the iterator. Begin, returns const iterator. Vector. Ah, okay, so it's a pointer, okay. Begin. Why don't we just, yeah, we can probably just do this, right? Set position and then that. Hold on. What does this contain? Chord 3. What does this take? Pointer. Const. Ah, it's not const. Oof. Yeah. Ugh. Also, that is wrong here. It would have to be like that. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. So we dereference the pointer to the vector. We access the first element, which is a chord 3, and then we take the pointer to that. Yeah, this looks correct. All right. Oh, what's this? Update. Oh boy. Update. Update. Huh. Interesting. That they had this here and didn't comment it out. That's weird. This is wrong. Could have put a better text there. Okay. Next, update. Okay, same story here. Update. There we go. All right. Okay. We're making progress, but there's still a lot of errors. T. There we go. Okay. Oh, we have here a mix of tabs and yeah. That's okay. Error. By the way, can't we, isn't there also, hold on. No, I thought that there's maybe a get, but that's not true. No, I think we have to do it like that. Yeah, it's a bit stupid to look at. But yeah, there's no other way to write it, or is there? You have an iterator. You need to dereference it to get the pointer to the chord 3D, or the reference to it, and then take the reference to get the pointer, right? And there's another way to write this, but I'm not seeing it right now. Let's test. So if we type it dot, no, that accesses operators. No, I don't think so. I don't know. Okay, here we got another one. Oof, what is this? Int. Oof, template name iterator equals 0. Oof, oof, oof. Template name Iterator. Template name Iterator. Are STL iterators initialized by default? Value initialized by default? I don't think so. I don't think so. No, are not value initialized. Typically uninitialized. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So I think here we need to assign it to let me see, how is this guy used? It's not used at all. Huh. Let me see. Huh. Okay, it's not used. Then we can... Then I think we just remove it. Just remove it. I mean, if it doesn't do anything, you can just remove it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no need to keep it. Yeah. Okay, let's see how far we get now. It is a process. Yeah, it's fun. Fun. Fixing up. Oh, and then we need to replicate all these fixes in generals. Oof. Okay, but we already learned our lesson, so we know what we need to change. Yeah. Okay, but before we go to generals, we make some iteration on the fixes we apply to 0 hour to really make sure that they look good before we touch generals, because I don't want to review both. Let's just do 0 hour first. Yeah, and then we do the generals. What do we have here? Discarding return value of function. Huh? Which function? This one? It's complaining about that we do the post increment, but it should be a pre-increment. That's why there's this warning. Okay, but we don't care about this warning. Can touch it another time. That's fine. Good. What do we have here? Position. Let's stop the build, by the way. Position index. What is that? Position index. Looks like it's this one here. There we go. Okay, next. Vector index. There we go. There we go. Next one. Vector index looks good. Okay, position index. Position index. There we go. Matrix index. Matrix index. There we go. J. J. The real J. There we go. What does this function take? It takes a bool. Then we should also make this a bool. Yeah. Okay, next. Eta. Eta. Oof. What is that? Eta. Here, this one, right? There we go. Next. Cannot access protected member. Oof. 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 Protected member. Declared attack priority info. Script engine. Okay, let's see this guy. Attack priority info. Protected member. Where is it protected? One of these guys? Public. Public. Protected. Aha. Okay, so the virtual destructor here is protected. So we're not supposed to delete this guy. Okay. But we are supposed delete instance. So basically this one has a member, which is an attack info, right? Let me see. No? Huh. Okay, that is surprising. Oh, that is. Yeah, okay. Uh-huh. Good. So I think the easy fix here is simply make this public, make it virtual. Yeah. Yeah. Friend bad for MPOs. What is MPOs? Okay, well. Okay, yeah. Yeah, let's do it like this for now. We don't add the override keyword, just virtual destructor. I think this will be okay. Okay, here we have a bunch of warnings. Don't care. Error. Error I. Okay, simple enough. All right. Next. All right, what have we got here? I. Int I, yeah. There we go. Man, the monkey work is strong here on this one. Very strong. We should maybe we should collect some monkeys from 0-hour community to really help the efforts here to really push the technology, you know. I think they could do really good work. Function does not take one argument. We give it 3. What? I don't get it. Yeah, the monkeys are maybe not the smartest bunch, but they can do the monkey work, you know. That's good. Oof, static enum. Static enum, what is that? Static. What is the static enum? Okay, I think we just need to remove it. Static. I mean, I applaud their determination here to make the enum static, but yeah, I've never seen that before. I think vs6 was very forgiving with the statics and so on. Very surprising. Very surprising. Oh, that function is really weird, yeah. What does that do? Huh. Well, that does nothing. It's not a compile error. It's a warning. Let's skip over it for now. Good. All right. Next IT. Oof, what do we have here? Oh, it says a reinterpret cast. Oof, what is this still? Count money unsigned in. Wait, what? Okay, so I see that the error here is that. I'm surprised by the void cast though. Ah, it's just start data. Okay, I see. Okay, that's probably fine. Yeah. Man, that's so much. Okay, we have here another situation. Let's try to make mass fix. Why is this so slow? Okay, so there was just one hit. Okay, well, error. Integer. Poof. 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 Okay. Right. Okay, I think we made some good progress. How about we take a break now? Has been, yeah, close to 2 hours. Take a break. And then after a break, we continue that. Maybe for 3 more hours. See how far we can get. Yeah. Okay. But so far, so good. Let's compile this. And yeah. Then, yeah, we'll take a break. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.